The basic configuration of the MQ-9 Reaper includes the MTSB, or multispectral targeting system, which has a wide array of visual sensors for targeting. Are a monochrome daylight TV camera, laser designator, infrared sensor, and laser illuminator. Each of the video imaging sensors is displayed differently for adequate coordination. The laser rangefinder is used for laser-guided munitions, like the Guided Bomb Unit 12 Paveway 2, and the UAV can carry up to 8 laser-guided missiles and air-to-ground Hellfire missiles. Other armament include the GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions and the GBU-54 Laser Joint Direct Attack munitions. A USAF press statement from 2006 described the MQ-9 Reaper as the, quote, first hunter-killer designed to go after time-sensitive targets with persistence and precision, and destroy or disable those targets with 500-pound bombs and Hellfire missiles. Reaper variants. Given its success as a multi-role UAV, the Reaper has numerous variants. The Sea Guardian, dubbed the Mariner, is the Reaper variant of the U.S. Navy and is part of the Broad Area Maritime Surveillance Program. Its main feature is its increased fuel capacity, resulting in a flight endurance of up to 49 hours. As with any other Navy asset, the Mariner features folding wings for more accessible storage, reinforced landing gears, and an arresting hook. General Atomics also improved the variant by fitting it with a Leonardo Seaspray 7500E V2 AESA radar, mounted as a centerline pod that can identify all sorts of maritime vessels with more effectiveness. It is known as the Sea Guardian. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection also employs the Mariner for border patrol operations, and it is known simply as the Guardian. Then there's the Sky Guardian, a variant tailored for operation within civilian airspace for use in the U.S., European countries, and other NATO partners. The United Kingdom also announced its plans to operate a variant of the Reaper by early 2023. It has been named the Protector and can carry 18 Brimstone 2 missiles and Paveway 4 bombs. The Block 5 variant also has increased electrical power, a secure communications network, a backup generator, weapons growth, and improved data transmission capacity. The Drone Wars. The MQ-9 Reapers made their combat debut in May of 2007 when they were deployed to Iraq and Afghanistan. While there, they proved their combat capabilities after successfully eradicating hostile forces in the Dayrawood region of the Uruzgan province with Hellfire missiles. By mid-2009, the Reaper's fleet had been increased to 30 drones, constantly patrolling the skies of the Middle East, Africa, and the Indian Ocean for anti-piracy operations. Then, in 2012, several Reapers were deployed to Benghazi, Libya, after the U.S. ambassador lost his life. In addition, several Reapers were the eyes in the sky for the French forces during Operation Serval to eliminate all Islamic extremists in Mali. That year, the USAF announced that the Predator and the Reaper had surpassed over 2 million flight hours. Even so, the USAF had to increase its pilot output from around 180 to 300 because of the high demand. For all that, one of its most notable achievements was when one CIA Reaper eliminated Quds Force Commander General Qasem Soleimani near Baghdad International Airport on January 3, 2020. The attack also claimed the lives of 24 members of Soleimani's escort, and it was widely compared to Operation Vengeance from World War II. M2DO. In 2021, the USAF announced that it planned to extend the service life of the MQ-9 Reaper until 2035. During the press conference, Air Force officials mentioned that existing Reapers would receive retrofit enhancements that included, quote, additional anti-jamming properties, a boost in available electrical power, and an open architecture design of the platform to encourage integration of new capabilities. Called the Multi-Domain Operation, or MTDO configuration, the model also features improvements to the electro-optical and infrared sensors, as well as more space to carry more ordnance. This upgrade puts an emphasis on jam resistance and other classified capabilities the USAF is yet to announce. For the time being, the Air Force and General Atomics Aeronautical Systems are confident that by upgrading the entire Reaper fleet with the M2DO, it will bring new life to the drone for many years to come.